Welcome back to Extreme Powerhouse. Today we have an exciting product to introduce. The EzCarbon design carbon fiber front lid for BMW G8X, M3 and M4. This product will transform the front end of your BMW and give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. Let's take a closer look at this product. It comes with 3 pieces, including 2 front corner splitters and the main spoiler. Inspired by GT racing, this design lowers the car, eliminates potential vortex, and provides an excellent ground effect. It's crafted with high-quality 2x2 carbon fiber wave and finished with a clear coat for that high gloss finish that we all love. Alright guys, now it's time to install the front lip and splitters. As you will notice, you will need to install your side splitters first. To do so, you will need to remove any screws or attachments that are currently on the vehicle. Then you will need to install the side splitters over your current stock splitters and attach them using the screws and attachments you previously removed. Then comes the big boy and the star of the show, the front lip. Before screwing on the front lip, you will need to locate all existing screws and attachments on the front lower shields. After locating, you will need to remove them and then align the lip with the front shields. Once the lip is perfectly aligned, you are free to begin screwing it on. And just like that, the front lip and splitters have been installed. We hope you found this installation guide helpful. If you're interested in the EzCarbon design carbon fiber front lip or any other BMW accessories, visit us at www.x-ph.com. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and installation guides. Until next time, safe driving and enjoy your ride.